Hi guys, and happy Monday. We are in the second month of 2026 and today it's first Monday of February. Happy February guys. It's a month of love, month of happiness, and yeah, let's cherish love and love harder. So today it's a mini Monday of minis, whereby I'm going to play our normal mini Mondays that we know and the 100 mini savings challenges. And yeah, I think I'm gonna start with the one that we know. I have 100 rand. I have 100 rand in cash, and our cash is going to be in our bank, and we know we are going to use the bomb coins for this one. Let me double check if we really have 100 rand, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And guys, how was the month of January in terms of savings? I really did save. I had so many savings challenges that I wanted to do. But then I think when the time goes, I will know which one to stick to, ne? Because I am having the 100 mini challenges, the 100 tiny challenges, the 50-day envelopes challenge that I have to complete before the end of this month. And yeah, I'm halfway there to finishing. And I also have the monthly savings challenge. I have the month ahead binder. I have sinking funds. Guys, it's a lot. But then yeah, I will see. So here's my 100 in Brom coins, and then I'm having my die and my 6-sided, my die tower, you guys, my die tower and my 6-sided die. We know that I'm not stuffing the face value, but when it lands on an even, I give a mini 1. When it lands on an odd, wait, what did I say? When it lands on an even, I give a mini 2. When it lands on an odd, I give a mini 1. Yes, that's a proper way to say. And guys, sorry for those who don't know me. I am really sorry. My name is Lorraine, and this is the Budget Era XX. If I did not introduce myself, sorry. And guys, thank you very much for 100 subscribers. And if you enjoy the content that I'm sharing with you, please do not hesitate to subscribe. Sorry guys, I had to fix my storage. I had a storage problem, but we are now good. And let us start with our stuffing, because before it does, yeah. So yeah, challenge number 1 gets to, we know we have 4 challenges, 4 mini challenges that I am working with. Yes, yes guys, let's just enjoy the month of February and embrace love. And that was it. This is 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hopefully this month we are going to save and save a lot like we did last month. Now let's see how much did the first one get. It got 2, 4, 5. It got 5, which is now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's challenge number 1. And then challenge number 2. Oh guys, the challenge number 1 is from Miss Frugal, and challenge number 2 is my challenge. It got 2, 4, 6, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have completed this challenge. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I need to make sure I give it 80 rands. Let me look for 80 rands in here. Oh my goodness, I don't have 80 rand. Okay, I'll work with this 70 then. I will try and make a change. So one challenge completed, which is nice. And then let me grab another challenge. We have grade 7. We have grade 7, and then we have birthdays. We have grade 7 again. I think the challenge that I have to add must go to, let me check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me take this one. It's from Savings Creation Co. And this one I think is going towards after car registration comes what? Let me check, guys. In my hive, oh, not birthdays, not grade 7. Oh, comes Velo, ne? Then this one is going towards Velo, and it has, ooh, it got a 1. We know each icon represent, it's 5 rand. So yeah, this challenge number 2. This 5 must come this side. And then challenge number 3, it's from Miss Frugal again. I want to change a color. I don't want to do the same color, like, you understand. And then this one got 2, 4, 6. It got 6. This challenge is so cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's very cute. That's challenge number 3 for us. And the last challenge, it's also from Miss Frugal. It got only 3. And okay, 1, 2, and 3. At least first row is completed. And this is it for this mini savings challenges. We'll see it again. This one is upside down. Let me just, yes, put it the right way. Yeah, bow, you see, sharp. I have to remember that I need 10 rand from here, but I'll make a plan for that so that I get change. And now let me put this one away. Okay, and then this one also away. This completed challenge will be there, and then let me have my 150 bomb coins. These make up 150, and we are going to play with 150. Yes, 50 and 100. I'm putting this one in my bank, and then let us start. It's the same thing, guys. Is the same thing. When the die lands on an even, we give a mini 2. When it lands on an odd, we give a mini 1. I think that is correct, ne? Yes. 1, 1, and 2. We are only playing with 3 challenges, and then yes, I don't know, yeah, but I want to finish this one by the end of this quarter, end of March. Yes, so 1, 1, 1. Oopsie, I only have 1, so yeah, there's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. And then our first challenge is from Blessed Budget by Abigail. How much did we get? It got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. It got 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. First challenge, and we get to the second one. This one is from Cat Lady Budgets. It got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And we only need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. Then we have 3. That 3. Did I say 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9? Yes. The 6th, and this one is completed. We need 10, 20, 30. I don't have 30 rand. I don't have 30 rand, but I'm writing. Completed. We'll make sure that I give it. Oopsie, let me write in here. I'll make sure that I give it 30, but now I don't have the 30 rands. Okay. And then the next challenge is from Save with Chloe. It got 2, 4, 6, 8. 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let me see. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, I think I should give this one this 3. Okay. Yeah, 1 2 3. In that way, everything is. So again, guys, it seems like I'm struggling with the story. Then I had to, yeah, I don't know where was I, but wherever I was, I managed to get a change for 30 rand for our completed challenge. I've added that money into this one, and it's not completed. And then this one again is not completed. We'll see them next time. So far we have completed 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 15. Yes, 15 and 16 challenges. Yes, and that is a wrap for today, because now the phone is going to act up again. And please guys, do subscribe if you enjoy the content I'm sharing with you, and like and leave a comment, guys. And thank you very much. See you on my next one. Toodles.